Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to talk about the offers of the mobile phones during the Flipkart Big Budget Dhamal sale. Yes friends, finally the sale has been started today, and starting from the 7th Jan to 9th Jan, the sale will continue. And during this sale, there has been a couple of discounts which are actually available on few smartphones, which I'll be trying to show you in this video. And one more quick note, these offers are not that great friends. Definitely, I think you need to wait for the Republic Day sale. So in case if you are in a hurry to buy a mobile phone, maybe this video might be useful. And in case if you are not urgency of buying any kind of phones, I can definitely ask you to wait for the Republic Day sale. So which gonna happen very soon. So that sale is going to be really very amazing compared to this sale. That is what I'm expecting. And again, there is a sale on the iPhone 12 mini which is going on for about 40,999 as you can see, the starting price. And iPhone 12 is the sale for about 54,000 rupees, as you can see friends, exactly. And if you look at the Android phones, in the Android phones, the sale is there on the few Realme phones. For example, on the Realme GT Master Edition, you can actually get the 3,000 rupees instant discount if you try to use the prepaid or any kind of exchange offer. So you can actually get the phone for about 22,999. So previously the sale used to be for about 19,999 and 20,999 and 21,999. So now it's kind of slightly more price than before. So that's the reason friends, I did ask you to wait for the Republic Day sale. So even there is an offer going on the Realme GT Neo 2 as well, so where you can actually get for about 3,000 rupees off on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So previously it used to be 4,000 rupees discount and 5,000 rupees discount, and now there is no such discount huge, only 3,000 rupees discount you are getting. So as you can see friends, even here the discount has been decreased. Apart from that, there's a couple of other offers going on the Motorola phones. On the Moto H20, you can actually get for about 27,999, and there's no offers going on any kind of cards, so direct price is of 27,999. So for 28,000 you're getting the Moto H20 device. And there's no information on the Poco F3 GT. Poco F3 GT, there is no offers going on at this moment, unfortunately. And there are some offers going on the budget mobile phones on the Moto E40 device, so which is available for about flat 1,000 rupees off. You can actually get for about 10,000 rupees, 999. As you can see clearly, for the 10,000 rupees you can actually get the Moto E40. And there is also offer going on for the Realme Narzo 50A as well, which is a 1,000 rupees instant discount for the exchange or prepaid payment. So friends, after going through this all kind of offers and deals, so definitely this big budget Dhamal sale is not good for the mobile phones at this moment. That's the reason friends, I did ask you to wait for the Republic Day sale. So maybe in the Republic Day sale we might be able to see a lot of discounts happening on the Realme GT Neo 2 and Realme GT Master Edition, Poco F3 GT, even in other smartphones as well. That's what I'm expecting. Even in Oppo phones right now, there is no offer going on the Oppo Reno 6 phones or other smartphones, so that's something you should definitely understand. So that's it friends, this is a quick summary about all the offers and all the deals during the Flipkart Big Budget Dhamal sale which is going on. So thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then, bye.